Chapter 8, India Climate, Vegetation and Wildlife. You read in newspaper daily and watched on TV or hear others talking about weathers. You must know that weather is about day-to-day changes in the atmosphere. It includes change in temperature, rainfall and sunshine. For example, such it may be hot or cold, sunny or cloudy, windy or calm. You must have noticed that when it is hot constantly for several days, you don't need any warm clothing. You also like to eat or drink cold things. In contrast, there are days together you feel cold without woolen clothes. When it is very windy and chilly, you would like to have something hot or to eat. Broadly, the major seasons recognized in India are cold weather seasons December to February, hot weather season March to May, southwest monsoon season rainy June to September, season of returning monsoon October and November, cold weather seasons or winter. During the winter seasons, the sun rays do not fall directly in the regions. As a result, the temperatures are quite low in northern India. Hot weather season or summer. In the hot weather seasons, sun rays more or less directly fall in these regions. Temperature becomes very high, hot and dry winds, cold blow during the day. Let's have a fun. People in all parts of our country drink delicious cool drinks called sharbat made from fruits available in their regions. They are excellent thirst quenchers and protect our bodies from the ill effect of the harsh loo. Have you tried sharbat made from raw mango? Made from raw mango, bell, lemon, turmeric, kokum, falsa, watermelon and buttermilk made from curds. For example, chas, matha, mori chas. It's many make bananas and mango milkshake too. After a hot summer, the first rains bring much joy. All our language have a melodious songs on rains. They sound happy and bringing cheer. Learn 2 songs on rains and sing them together. Write or collect 5 poems on rains. Ask your friends, neighbors and family members for names for rains and other seasons in different language. For instance, Varsha, Hindi, Barish, Urdu, Oz, Marathi and Borsa, Bengali. Look at that. Southwest monsoon seasons or rainy seasons. This season is marked by the onset and advance of monsoon. The winds blow from Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal towards the land. They carry moisture with them. When these winds strike the mountain, berries rainfall occurs. Season of returning monsoon or autumn. Winds move back from the mainland to the Bay of Bengal. This is the seasons of the returning monsoon. The southern parts of India, particularly Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, receive rainfall in these seasons. However, the climate is about the average weather conditions which have been measured over many years. The climate of India has broadly been decided as monsoon type. Monsoon is taken from the Arabic word museum, which means seasons. Due to India's location in the tropical regions, most of the rains is brought by monsoon winds. Agriculture in India is dependent on rains. Good monsoon mean accurate rain and beautiful crop. The climate of a palace is affected by its location, altitude, distance from the sea, and refers. Therefore, we express regional difference in the climate of India. Jaisalmer and Bikaner in the desert of Rajasthan are very hot, while Dras and Karajili in Jammu and Kashmir are freezing cold. Coastal places like Mumbai and Kolkata experience moderate climate. They are neither too hot or nor too cold. Being on the coast, these places are very humid. Myanmar in Meghalaya receives the world's highest rainfall, while in a particular year it might not rain at all. In Jaisalmer in Rajasthan, natural vegetation, variety. We see a variety of plant life in our surroundings. How nice it is to play in a field with green grasses. There are also small plants called bushes and shrubs like cactus and flowering plants. It's beside there are many tops the trees, some with many branches and leaves like a neem, mango, or some which stand with a few leaves such as a plum. The gracious shrubs and trees which grow on their own without interference or help from human being are called natural vegetation. Do you wonder how these differ from each other? Different types of natural vegetations are dependent on different climate conditions, among which the amount of rainfall is very important. Due to varied climate conditions, and India has a wide range of natural vegetation. Vegetation of India can be divided into 5 types: tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, thorny bushes, mountain vegetation, and mangrove forest. Tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforest occur in the areas which receive heavy rainfall. They are so dense that sunlight doesn't reach the ground. Many species of trees are found in this forest, which shade their leaves at different time of the year. Therefore, they always appear green and are called evergreen forest. As you may notice in figure, important trees found in this forest are mahogany, ebony, and rosewood. Andaman and Nicobar Island, parts of the northern eastern states, and a narrow strip of western slopes of the Western Ghats are home of this forest.